I will take you. Hare Krishna, everybody. Welcome to the class.
Mataji, Hare Krishna.
I'm so sorry I got little delayed. My little one, he wouldn't let me do things. So happy to see you all. And welcome to the class. I know we are running 5 minutes late. And, Hare Krishna, beta. Hare Krishna, Pravalad, Raghav, Tanvi, Vrinda Rai, Avani, Krishna, Mathili, Shama Gauri, Haridas, Krishna. Yes, beta. You want to say something?
When are we going to make ice cream?
Soon. Soon. Soon.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
I think it should be next week. Right in the middle of the next
Hare
week.
Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Avani beta. Welcome to the class, beta.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So let's quickly start with our prayers, okay? साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजना सहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा सहगणा ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु गोपेश गोपिका कांता हरिप्रिये पंचकल्पातरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Srila Gurudev ki jai. All little Vaishnav children ki jai.
Can I say something?
Later.
I just want to tell something that I think we're going to make ice cream at the end of the chapter.
Yes, most probably. We have very limited shlokas left. We are almost at the end of the chapter, and then hopefully we'll have the special days. Okay, so let's quickly go to our verse number 17 and 18 today. Verse 17. Shraddhaya paraya taptam tapasthatrividham naraihi afalakankshabhiryuktaihi satvikam parichakshate.
Mataji, hello?
Yes. So, verse 17, what is Krishna saying? This threefold austerity. We already discussed three kinds of austerity, right? Austerity of body, mind, and speech. We discussed these three, right? So, these kind of austerities, when it is performed with transcendental faith by men, not expecting material benefit. You see, in Sanskrit, there is a word, afalakankshabir. Means afala. Afala means who are like fruits, no fruits, right? And akangshibihi means without desire. So these kind of austerities, when they are performed without any desires of fruits, any material benefits, but then why it is performed? It is only for the sake of the Supreme. It's called the austerity in goodness. And any of these austerities, all these austerities, when they are performed, material benefits, and they are performed only for the happiness of Supreme Lord, right? For the sake of Supreme Lord. So they are in the mode of goodness.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Mataji, you are on mute.
I think she's speaking to some Krishna.
Yes. So that kind of austerity is actually in goodness. Now next verse comes, verse 18. Satkarman pujartham tapodam bhena chaivayat kriyate tad iha proktam rajasam chalam adhruvam. So what is Krishna saying? Penance performed. Now these austerities performed, but out of pride and for the Garima, no volume beta, and for the sake of gaining respect, honor and worship is said to be in the mode of passion. It is neither stable and not permanent. So these kind of austerity we've been discussing, right? Mind, body and speech, right? Did we discuss that when we should offer worship to Supreme Lord and spiritual master, and also respect them and also respect our parents? But if we do it only out of pride that others will respect me, they'll give me honor, they'll worship me, then that's not stable, permanent. I'm just giving a generalized thing. We discussed 3 kind of austerities, and they all have to be in the mode of goodness, not in a passion. Because when somebody is doing out of pride, let's take an example here. Srila Prabhupada is saying, sometimes some people like Pondrak, right? Pondrak, everybody knows, he used to call himself only Krishna. He used to say, I am the Vasudeva, I am the Krishna, right? And similarly, in Kali Yuga, there are a lot of such people who does austerity, and they let their subordinates means those who are following that person, they let them wash their feet, offer offerings, riches, offer different kind of offerings. Such arrangements artificially made by the performance of penances are considered to be in the mode of passion. Garima, in the mode of passion. The results are temporary. They can be continued for some time, but they are not permanent. So we must be careful. Any kind of austerity we are performing, we must do it only for the pleasure of the Supreme Lord. Not that people will respect me, I will show off. I can also be worshipped. People can worship me if I do these austerities, penances performed out of pride. You see how wonderful I am, right? So those kind of austerities are not permanent. They are completely in the mode of passion. And third one, the austerities performed in ignorance, we will be discussing tomorrow. So let's go for our verse. There is not too much description, details today in these 2 verses. It is very straight and simple. The point here is that all these austerities of mind, body, and speech should be only for the pleasure of the Lord, not requiring, not desiring any results or desired fruits in return. That is the whole point. So let's go for verses, okay? Shraddhaya paraya taptam.
Shraddha Priyatatam.
Shraddhaya paraya taptam.
Shraddhaya Parayatam.
Shraddhaya paraya taptam. Very good. Shraddhaya paraya taptam. I want everybody to be on the I want everybody to be on the video call, unmuted, so that I can hear you all and correct you all. Sanvi, Mathili, Haridas, Soumya, Monish. Yeah, Monish, it's okay. It's early morning there. Everybody, okay? Yes. Shraddhaya paraya taptam. Shraddhaya paraya taptam. Tapastat. Okay, so now 1 minute. So we are going to join two T's together. You see Tat and 3. You all see Tat and 3, right? So tapastatri,
Tapastatri.
tapastatri,
Tapastatri.
tapastatri,
Tapastatri.
tapastatri,
Tapastatri.
tapastatri vidham naraihi,
Tapastatri.
tapastatri vidham naraihi,
Tapastatri.
tapastatri vidham naraihi, tapastatri vidham naraihi. Avani, if you are using marker in notes or printouts, perfectly fine, but not in the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, beta? Just want
Not
to
doing
let
it in the Bhagavad Gita, it's the printout.
Perfect. Perfect. Just want to make sure. Okay, beta?
So she's doing it in the Bhagavad
No, no,
Gita.
she's not. She's not. So just want to inform you, okay, beta, that we do not write or do markings in the Bhagavad Gita.
There
Okay.
was one story about
Okay. Afalakanshibhir yuktaihi. Afalakanshibhir yuktaihi. Afalakanshibhir yuktaihi. Afalakanshibhir yuktaihi. Afala kanshibhir. Matali's fingers are very yummy. Huh, Matali? Did you put some cream cheese on the fingers today?
No, actually, Mataji, I got an antibiotic itching a lot.
Oh, no. Oh, Krishna, I'm so sorry. You should put something, beta, and cover your fingers. Yeah, you need to put something, maybe calamine or something, and then cover it with something, you know.
Like with a band-aid.
Otherwise, you know, it can spread in the mouth. That's not good. I thought Matali ate something very, very yummy, and Matali could not finish. And she's still licking. She's still licking nicely.
So what happened? Monthly, what happened?
Huh?
I was just sitting on the grass, and then it went on my hand. I rubbed it off, and then when I went in the house, the next day when I got up in the morning, I saw like this big lump on my finger.
Yeah, so put some calamine, or your mommy is the best. Mommy and daddy both are the best.
Yeah,
Okay.
the doctor.
Yeah, they both are doctors. I don't have to
They know.
tell you. So put it and just cover it with the gloves or something. So that way you'll not be bothered. Okay, beta? Because I feel bad when you are bothered. Okay. Okay. Take care of yourself. Okay. Chalo. Afalakanshibhir yuktaihi. Afalakanshibhir yuktaihi. Satvikam parichakshate. Rudra, I want to hear you, beta. Satvikam parichakshate. Very good. Satvikam parichakshate. Satvikam parichakshate. Shraddhaya paraya taptam. Tapastatri vidham naraihi. Afalakanshibhir yuktaihi. सात्विकं परिचक्षते okay श्रद्धया परया तप्तं
No, I'm just wiping
तपस्तत्त्रिविधं नरैः अफलाकाङ्क्षिभिर्युक्तैः सात्विकं परिचक्षते very good you all got it so nice so yes Shama
No, it's actually Tanvi.
yes beta tell me
Is this how you pronounce it? Falankangshabir?
yes you are getting better and better I remember when you joined in the beginning you couldn't do it at all you couldn't get it but now you get it like this shlokas isn't it
Yeah.
yes you're getting better
And
yes you all are getting better
And Mataji, this Afalakankshabir reminds me of another verse from I think 16th chapter.
yes there is another verse also yes so let's discuss the meaning shraddhaya that's the name of the chapter itself right shraddha right the divisions of faith so with faith that's why in this verse translation Krishna is saying with faith austerities are to be performed with what with faith paraya taptam paraya means transcendental taptam means executed then tapaha means austerity tat that trividham means three kinds do you all remember we discussed three kind of austerity austerity of body mind and
Speech.
body mind and what speech yes and then naraihi yes speech naraihi means by men afala akangshibihi means who are without desires for fruits yuktaihi means engaged satvicam everybody satvicam means what goodness in the mode of goodness so what kind of austerity is in the mode of goodness when it is performed with what yes it is for Krishna and also it is performed with the faith and also third thing what with no desiring what
No desires.
with no desire desiring no fruit yes very good parichakshate means is called verse number 18 everybody satkaram pujatham satkaram pujatham let me see how many kids are on mute what are they doing are they eating lollipop yeah
Not me.
I don't see lollipop in everyone's hand you know we can have one day lollipop day we all can have lollipop and eat all together that's a good idea actually. And that way everybody will be on the mute right
Mataji,
we had ice cream today.
yes
I can't have. Mataji, I can't have lollipops because I have braces.
oh I'm so sorry hopefully soon when your braces are out you can so
Yeah.
just a little time
That
so
will be 3 years.
let's everybody be unmute this is a regular fun class it's not a school class everybody has to just listen okay so everybody be unmute everybody come on video and please repeat after me okay satkaraman pujartham very good satkaraman pujartham no pujartham pujartham satkaraman pujartham satkaraman Oh my God. Okay, from some place there's a lot of noise. Lot of noise. Okay, so let's try, okay? Okay. Tapodambhen chaivayat. Tapodambhen chaivayat. Tapodambhen chaivayat. Tapodambhen chaivayat.
Tapodambhen chaivayat.
Tapodambhen chaivayat.
Tapodambhen chaivayat.
Tapodambhen chaivayat. Tapodambhen chaivayat. Kriyate tadiha. So we are joining tad and iha. So when you join D and I, it sounds di, right? D and I, di, right? So kriyate tadiha proktam. Kriyate tadiha proktam. Come on, everybody, follow after me. I want you to hear loud voices. Kriyate tadiha proktam. Very good. Kriyate tadiha proktam. Kriyate tadiha proktam. Rajasam chalam druvamam. Sorry.
Rajasam
Okay, I'll come back over there. Rajasam chalamadruvam. We are joining chalam and adruvam. So it will sound like madruvam. Rajasam chalamadruvam. Rajasam chalamadruvam. Raghav, I'm not hearing you, beta. Come on, loudly. Rajasam chalamadruvam. Very good. Rajasam chalamadruvam. Rajasam chalamadruvam. Rajasam chalamadruvam. Very good. Satkaramana pujartham.
Sakaramana pujartham.
Tapodambhena chaivayat. Kriyate tadiha proktam. Rajasam chalamadruvam. Good job. All of you are speaking so nicely. Come on, loudly. Satkaramana pujartham. Tapodambhena chaivayat. Kriyate tadiha proktam. Rajasam chalamadruvam. job. You all got it. Very nice. So satkar. Satkar means what? Respect. Adar satkar. Everybody should respect me, right? Man. Man. Do you all remember? Man madan vittaha, right? Man means honor. Honor. Okay. Puja. Puja artham, right? Puja means worship, right? You all do puja at home, right?
Yeah.
Puja means worship. Artham. Artham means for the sake of. What is the sake of? Let's discuss. Tapaha. Tapaha means austerity. Dambhena. Right? Austerity and puja is done. But with what? With dambha. Dambha means what, everybody? Everybody knows, right? Dambha, coffee. Yes, dambha, pride, coffee, right? And yat, which? Kriyate. Kriyate means is performed. Tat, iha. Iha means in this world. Proktam. Proktam means is said. Rajasam. Rajasam means what? Can everybody tell me quickly? Yes, that kind of austerity is performed in passion. Damba means pride. Right? Pride, very puffy. Pride means I am the doer, right? I am the doer. Krishna is not the doer. I am the best. I am the best singer. I am the best painter. I am the best cook. I am everything best. It is all I, me. Chalam means flickering. Adhruvam, right? We are saying madhruvam, right? Remember when we are joining? Adhruvam means temporary. All this austerity becomes temporary and flickering. Everybody ready for repetition quickly?
Yes.
Everybody awake? I see Prahlad yawning. A mouse is about to go in your mouth, Prahlad. Prahlad, I saw a big mouse with a tail in my imagination.
What?
Okay, otherwise you all will say Mataji is teaching austerity of speech, but Mataji is lying, right? Okay, so let's go quickly for repetition. Verse number 17. Everybody ready? Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3. I have Garuda's eyes right now. Haridas, unmute. Karthik, come on, beta, unmute. Speak with me. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Last 2 times. Loudly. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Verse number 18. Everybody, loudly. Maithili, unmute. Sorry, everybody unmute. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Loudly. You all are doing amazing. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Verse 18. One, two, three. Good. 1, 2, 3. Last time, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Loudly. Good job, all of you. Very nice. You all did amazing. Please make sure you all send me your recordings of verse 17, 18 separate and 1 to 16 separate. Okay. And also, you all make sure you all repeat today's 2 shlokas 5 times before you all go to bed. Okay, before you all go to sleep. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow we will meet again and we'll discuss 2 new wonderful shlokas. Okay. So meantime, I love you all and I miss you all. Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.